We'll guide you through how to make an image a header or first page footer in Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and making sure it is fully ready to use. Connect to a stable internet connection so the process runs smoothly. Next, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type docs.google.com and press enter to visit Google Docs. Once you are signed in, open an existing document or create a new one, then wait for the document to load completely. After your document is ready, look at the top menu bar and click the Insert menu. From the drop-down options, hover your cursor over Page Elements. A submenu will appear on the side. From there, select Headers and Footers, then choose either header or footer, depending on where you want to place your image. Click inside the selected header or footer area to activate the editing mode. If you want the image to appear only on the first page, locate and check the Different First Page option. This ensures the image will not repeat on other pages. Next, look at the toolbar while you are still in the header or footer editing mode. Click on the Insert Image option to begin adding your image. You will be given several choices for uploading your image, such as from your computer, Google Drive, or other sources. Select your preferred option, then choose the image file you want to use. Wait a moment for the image to appear inside the header or footer area. Once the image is inserted, click on it to adjust its size and position. Drag the corners to resize it as needed. Use the alignment tools in the toolbar to position the image to the left, center, or right. Make sure the image fits properly and does not overlap with any text or content in your document. If you want to insert an image in the footer area, first click the bottom part of the document to open the footer section. After the footer is active, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Image, and you can choose Upload from Computer. After that, select the image file you want to use and wait for it to appear inside the footer. When the image looks correct, click outside the footer area to return to the document.